Hello everyone, welcome to the CIT. In this series of C programming, we will first discuss what is C and why is it used. These two topics we are going to cover today, but before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of our videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, what is C? C is the most powerful and versatile programming language that is used to create variety of software. What type of software we will discuss later. Look, if you want to develop any kind of software, then it is very important to learn C programming for it. And C is an excellent place to begin because it's a language that teaches you the core concept of programming, give you a solid foundation for any other language you might want to learn in the future. Now, let's know a little bit of history. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in the early 1970s. It was originally developed for the Unix operating system but has since been used on many other platforms. Let's talk about uses of the C language. C language can be used to develop wide variety of software applications, including first, operating system. C language has been used to write the kernel of many operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Second, compilers and interpreters. C language has been used to write compilers for other programming languages. Now the question is, what does the compiler do? Compiler is a software that converts source code into machine code that a computer can understand and execute. For an example, we have written some code here. This code is called source code. Now, if you want to execute this code, then the computer cannot execute this code directly. Why? Because this is a human readable code. Only we can read, not the computer. Because computer only understand machine code, binary code, that is 0 and 1. So what the compiler does here? Compiler converts the source code into machine code and interpreters that execute line by line, and then computer read this code and give the output. And now third uses of C language is games. C language has been used to write many other popular video games. Fourth, embedded systems. The C language has been used to write software for microcontrollers and other embedded systems like washing machines, microwave ovens, and digital cameras. Fifth, database systems. C is used to build database systems like Oracle, MySQL, etc. And now last but not the least, networking. C is used to develop networking applications such as web servers, network protocols, and network drivers. So this was the usage of C language, makes it most powerful and popular programming language. So let's make a simple program in C and understand it in details. Here is an example of C programming language. Why used here has include stdio.h, printf, main function, and return. Everything we are going to tell you now. First, has include. Has include is a preprocessor directive that tells the compiler to include header file in our program. Which header file is used here? stdio.h. And there are many other header files like math.h, string.h, and every header file has different functions. But the most important header file among them is stdio.h. We will read about both these header files also when we read their topics. For now, we will talk about stdio.h. This header files contains standard input-output functions like printf, scanf, fopen, fclose, etc. If you want to use these functions in your program, then you need to include stdio.h. Without it, the compiler won't know about these functions and your program will not compile. Okay. And now main function. Why use main function in C programming? Main function, it is the starting point of the program, which means that when you run a C program, then compiler first look for the main function and start executing. Okay. Why use of printf? Printf is used to print text and value on the screen. For an example, we want to print hello world, then printf function is used. Scanf, this function is used to take input value from the users such as keyword. How to use scanf, fopen, fclose, I will tell you later when they will be needed. Okay? Return 0. This line indicates that our program finished successfully. So this is just the beginning of our C programming journey. Over the next videos, we'll cover everything from the basic to more advanced topic. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.